from Costa Rica, and the more off-road, the more freedom.
Hi, I'm Sofia, together with GWM.
I am Roberto Murillo, GWM Go With More.
Hi, I'm Valesca Alvarez, Global Off-Road, powered by GWM.
I'm Manuel, I'm from Colombia, GWM Go With More.
Hi, I'm Brent, I'm from Barbados, here with the LATAM team, just enjoying this wonderful event. GWM, make every experience thrilling.
Hello, my name is Hector Corredor. I am from Colombia, GWM Colombia. GWM, make every drive a legend.
Each one of these vehicles has been meticulously modified to handle the extreme conditions here. Can you hear the roar of those engines?
GWM.